Valve stem seals are back. Valves are bent. Cylinder 2 has no compression.
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
Head is out. Block is out. New parts. Machine and renewal. All cleaned. Engine is back with new valves and seals. Block is back. $30 Newton meters. $68 Newton meters. $32 Newton meters.
Nani?
Use this clamp to turn the stud and get it out. $45 Newton meters. Put thin layer engine oil on all intake gaskets for easier to remove in the future. Coolant leaking. Coolant leaking. This hose size is too big and leaks. Leaks all the way down to here. Coolant leaks by these old hose clamp. Replace them to new. Coolant leaks. This is my bad installation. Use this gasket maker. I couldn't find the right size O-ring. Use 2 tight O-rings and apply gasket marker before install O-rings on the pipe. Use a lot of gasket marker and let it dry for 3 days. No leaks. No leaks. No leaks. No leaks. No leaks.
Feel me.
No leaks. No leaks. Unplug this plug. Crank the engine to create oil pressure. Crank few times until the oil light goes off. Plug it back. Timing case is contacting the pulley. This new timing case gasket is too short to cause the timing case sticks out. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry to create the gap. No more contact. All coolant hoses are hot except this. This is the new thermostat I have installed. Test it with my old thermostat. They are all working fine. I installed my old thermostat, now the hose is hot.
A few moments later.
Fans are off. Fan's operating temperature is too high. These are the new sensors I have installed. So I replaced all new sensors to my old sensors back in the car. And bleed the coolant. Then fans on at normal temperature level. So keep your old parts, in case your new parts don't like your car. Prelude.
Engine oil. No leaks. Transmission fluid. No leaks. Power steering fluid. No leaks. Pussy. Leaking.
Prelude.